I so I create an scrape the map of the community of a specific school. So gonna test it this scrape or actor with the U, so it will know how to use it. It's straightforward. It's not complex. So basically, if you want to get the data, like in this example from this community, like let's see this kind of his username, his sometimes is contain his bio, like what he do, like, and social media and etc. So maybe it will be useful for you, like know which your subscribe or your follow, which country they are existed in. Okay, so basically you will go to this platform called Apify and type, oh, come on, map. It will show up here, School Map Scraper. So let's try it. So if you don't have an account with Apify, you can create one. It is free and it give you $5 credit every month. So you can scrape thousands of results, not with my tool, but like in general. And also I'm gonna update the video once I release this YouTube. So let's try it. Try for free. So, but if you need to scrape this data like map, you need. I always need to be either log in because you don't see this information until the creator of this school community agree on your join in his community. So if you don't join for a specific community, you cannot get this data. So basically, I am joined in his community. I'm gonna test this. So if I run it, if I take this, you can take the URL all or put his the name of community or just like this. But leave it as is. Okay, as you can like put it like this or like this. Okay, let's see, put it like this. Okay, let's leave it like this. But as I told you, let's collect 10 100 of data, but you can put a large number like I don't know 1 million or okay, but I only want 100. And also 1 GB is enough, and if you want to scrape a lot of data you need to toggle this so it will not stop. But if you leave it, I think it will stop for in 5 minutes. So let's toggle this, but it's automatically toggle, so just leave it as is. But let's run it without passing any credential and see what's happened, and try with my credential. Okay, let's go to the log. So try no authentication, public access only. You cannot get any school public access. You need to be easy empty or member have pen drive location or community admin has disabled the map. No, no. You need to pass the information. So let's try it. Let's pass our information either with the cookie. If you don't have installed the cookie, I don't install any cookie extension or pass username or password. Maybe you was skeptical by passing your password, but it is safe. Gonna show you. So I put my username, email. It is a dummy account, and what you can see in here, this is my email and password. And if you go to like JSON, you can see all your information. No, you cannot see the password, so it is encrypted. You see, but this is not my password. So Apify platform, it's crypt your credential, and even the developer cannot get it. Like so, only if you see some input like this, like password option, and see like this log. But let's test this after. Okay, this like if you agree some your data, I will analyze it, but you can always like dismiss. Okay. No, I don't want. No, I don't want this. Okay, let's see the. So like you can see in here, the authentication with email and password. It recognize which type of credential. So it's better to put username and password, but you can give it the cookie as well. So let's take hurry up, hurry up. So the start for the free, it will charge you for like how much? 50. How much? I put? Okay, I put 100. I thought I put 10. So okay. So this is the information. You can analyze it, but let's see the full member detail. So, so you can see his see community ID, this community ID, and also the user ID, and the username and the first name, last name, full name. What else? His link, the, the image. And the bio and the location, like all kind of information. And if he has Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, like, and you can give it to AI to analyze what's type. And I think group member, where is it? You can see if it is subscribe or group member of share group level. You can see the level of the member to even like either to send him more like which member you will focus on and send him an email or something. Okay, I think this is enough. So I'm gonna leave this link of this actor in the bio. Give it a bookmark, and please leave a review. I can't leave a review by myself, but I hope you will. So, peace.